So let's compare and contrast. Daily versus weekly stochastic divergence, very different meanings. Daily simply means we're going to have a short-term counter trend move of a few days. Well, I call that cute. You see, the thing is, if I have a daily stochastic divergence, I'm saying that the market's going to have a short-term dip on the daily chart. That's super valuable to a day trader. That's super valuable to a swing trader. To a position trader, not so much. I just ride the little dip. You know, if I'm already long and I know there's going to be a little dip, it's like, okay, fine, I'll live through it because the trend hasn't changed. And daily stochastic divergence doesn't mean any trend change. It just means a dip in a bull market or a rally in a bear market. But weekly stochastic divergence means a major trend change or a major counter trend move. In other words, something big is going to happen. Not something small, but something big. Eric says it appears that this strategy gives higher profit on longer time frames. No question about it. Well, nearly every technique gives bigger profits on longer time frames.